So now let's talk about the courses itself. What will you be learning? Let's talk about it, the courses itself. Now, for the web designers, which is the front-end developer, which consists of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, um, you will be given like you'll be taught how to build websites as good as this, as good as this. Yeah, you this is how it will look like. You'll be taught how to build a website like this, as good as this. You'll be taught with JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. HTML, this are the language we use to build websites. You'll be taught how to build a website like this. You'll be taught how to build a website like this exactly. So this you'll be taught from basic to advanced. From what? From basic level to advanced level. Those are for the these are for this is for the course, or this is for the students that are doing the web development course, which is this course right here. Yeah, which is this web design and development course right here. So you'll be taught how to do that. So anybody buying the HTML, CSS, JavaScript course will go through this main course, because this course contains HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But if you are not interested in all this, if you are just interested in just one, if you are just interested in JavaScript alone, you can click on it, then enroll for JavaScript alone, and when time for JavaScript class comes, you get notified, then you can join the live class. So that's how it goes. And for the backend developers, when you click on backend developers, you'll be using Python for your backend development, and the things you'll be doing, these are the projects that you'll be working on. You'll be taught how to build this using backend. Yeah, you'll be taught how to build these functionalities, the login. Look at the login when you log into a site, how it validates, then login successfully, then greet the user, welcome back. You'll be taught how to build an e-commerce, professional e-commerce site. Can you see it's telling me welcome back, then the name of my username, then how to cart. We taught how to cart, then after carting, it should minus the available product minus the number of products you cut. So the backend the backend functionalities you need to know, you'll be taught. Like this is saying no zero stock left, not available, meaning you can't cut because of what the stock left is zero. So those functionalities you'll be given. So let's say okay, to order now, and let's see what we have. Now it's saying you have ordered successfully, and if we check our cart page, we should be able to see there. We should you see we have this quantity to, then we have our billing address, then we have the checkout page, then we have the total we have. Now let's check on this page again. Let's see. Those are I'm just showing you the way the thing you'll be doing here to tell you that okay, this is not play, you know what I'm saying. So let's go back on this page. Can you now see it was 18 before, now it's saying 16, then you've cutted. So we'll be doing more on backend. You'll be doing more on backend, more than this. You'll be doing more. You're working with sessions, middleware, and everything. You know what I'm saying? So that's for the backend course. For the database course, we'll be walking you through how to create and maintain effectively bank database, IT database, and this is how it will look like. This is how your database will look like. You'll be able to maintain bank, school database. You connect to your server. You optimize your data. Exam portal works, adventure works, which is a big company database, and these are the tables and the customers you have there. You'll be able to maintain them. Let's see, let's just have a snippet of what we'll be doing, the data will be maintaining. Let's have a snippet of it. Select all from add. Yeah, select all from, yeah, human rights dot employee. Then let's execute this. These are the data you'll be working with, optimizing, editing, manipulating, granting access, trigger. That's the security part. So your database won't be hacked anytime you're working with companies. So you see this, and the e-commerce database also tracking of products and everything you need. Can you see this? Purchasing, tracking of product, everything. So this is what the database course will be all about, and more. We'll teach you from the basic to the advanced level, so you know what you exactly. We'll teach you from the basic to the advanced level, so you know all about it. And that brings us back to the LearnTech webpage. Now, let me tell you something, and let me show you something interesting. For each course you purchase, there is always a Q&A section for you where you can ask questions, snap if there is any photo you want to show on any problem you're having, you can send it and write something about it for us to fix, then submit. And when you submit, we'll get the question, and as soon as we get the question, we'll send you an answer ASAP, and you receive it in your inbox. You know where the inbox is in the profile. You know, receive it there. So that's one interesting fact about it. So I think with this, I am we are done. I think we are done talking about the LearnTech. Thank you.